Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. So let's see the energies ngayong second half ng July 2026. General reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para makapag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see, Scorpio. Second half ng July 16 to 31, 2026. What's the energy? Ano yung parating? Oh, potential. Potential sa mga bagay na nasimulan mo. This can also mean something na you want to try. Oo, may gusto kang subukan. Pwedeng gusto mo pumasok sa isang relationship o kaya bagong career, bagong business, bagong project. Because you're seeing the potential. Kaya lang, kung ito ay romantic connection, syempre, sabi nga nila, do not fall in love with the potential. Kasi, minsan, hindi naman talaga siya, depende pa rin, okay? Depende pa rin. So, kung sa tingin mo, yung potential na yon ay mag-grow, then go for it. Whether this is about a career path, a business, relationship connection, okay? Oh, okay. Forgiveness. You will forgive someone. Pwedeng itong pagpapatawad na tayo may kinalaman sa iyong sarili. No? Ikaw mismo, you will forgive yourself. Which is something that we need to do first bago tayo makapagpatawad ng iba. Diba? Kasi minsan tayo rin mismo yung kalaban natin. I think some of you pwedeng may bibigyan kayo ng chance. A person in your life, a situation in your life, or yung pangarap no, na dati sinubukan mo, tapos ngayon, gusto mo ulit na bigyan ng pagkakataon. Halimbawa, dati sinubukan mong mag-abroad, tapos for some reasons, hindi naging successful sa'yo, and now you're going to try it again. Anything that you want to try again because you see the potential and you've forgiven yourself sa mga bad decisions mo. Overall energy, you have the Champion of Swords. Okay, ito kasi yung nagmamadaling energy. Kaya, kung may mga decision ka, make sure na hindi mo siya mamadaliin. Kasi pag minamadali, di ba, sometimes nagiging siya, imbis na mas maging madali, tumatagal kasi pwedeng magkamali. But I also see this as someone na mas bold, no, pagdating sa gusto niyang mangyari sa buhay niya. So, ito yung tipong hindi na nagpo-procrastinate. Gumagawa na ng action. Now, your challenge is the Sun. So, as a challenge, this can be your confidence. May mga times na hindi ka na sure if kaya mo ang isang bagay. Lalo na kung meron mga taong hayagang hindi naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. Which can be frustrating. Kasi kung ikaw nga naniniwala sa sarili mo, di ba? Kaya lang, huwag ka na lang magpa-apekto sa opinion ng iba. Kasi opinion nila yun eh. I also see here na ikaw ay mas magiging open. No? When I say open, pwedeng open ka for collaboration, new friends, connections. Now, your opportunity is the Two of Pentacles. Marami actually opportunity sa'yo. Multiple opportunities, especially in your career, finances, money, business. So, maaring kayanin mo ngayon ng multiple streams of income, or kung meron kang trabaho, magnenegosyo ka on the side, or, mas masipag. And kung meron ka mga pagdedesisyonan, related sa pera, related sa resources, importanteng bagay sa buhay mo, something practical, makakapili ka pa rin ng best para sa'yo. Your blessing is the Apprentice of Cups. So, I think yung blessing mo ngayon is your imagination. Yung iyong kakayanan na makapag-isip ng mga bagong bagay na pwede mong ikasiya, o 'di ba? Or mga bagay na pwede mong masasabi mong you are imaginative or you are talented, you are artistic. Pwede kasi yung iba sa inyo are into arts, yung iba into painting, music, ganyan. It's time to take action na daw. Scorpio, ito na yon. Gumawa na kayo ng paraan. Mag-take action na kayo. Ito na yon. Uy, a new romantic cycle begins. Oh, pwedeng may bagong person na darating sa buhay mo magpapakilig sa'yo. Kung nararamdaman mo naman na handa ka na, then why not? 'Di ba? Okay, tingnan natin, Scorpio. 'Di ba? Oh, fifth house. This is about romance. Romantic kasi sabihin ko eh. Romance. Okay? You also have Aquarius energy. So this is freedom. This is giving a rebellious type of energy. Having Mars here. So Mars in Aquarius. In the fifth house, ito yung tipong wala kang pakialam sa sasabihin ng ibang tao, kung ano yung mga actions na gagawin mo. You will just focus on creating something that you love. Okay? This can be pagpasok sa isang relationship, pagpasok sa isang career path, or isang libangan na para sa iba mukhang hindi naman siya, ang tawag nito, hindi siya hindi siya productive para sa iba. Kaya lang sarili mo yun, ikaw makakaalam yan. Oo. You also have Dagas. Dagas is about self-love. So I think ngayon mas focus ka rin sa pag-aalaga sa sarili mo. Like you don't care what other people will say, yung mga opinion nila. Okay? You also have Urus, which is about vitality, lakas. I think you will also focus on your health, kalusugan mo. Fitness, wellness. Ayan. You also have Ihwas. So this is rebirth. Bagong ikaw. O meron kang kumbaga parang nire-reinvent mo yung sarili mo. Yes, you are reinventing yourself like a brand new you. Na pwedeng yung ibang tao, pag nakita ka ngayon, sasabihin, uy, parang hindi ikaw yan. Kasi they will see a new version of you na mas matapang, di ba? Bold, mas malakas ang loob, mas nag-explore. Alam mo yun, you are coming out of your shell. Okay, so that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.